Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see another question related to passive power sources or power absorbed or power delivered concept of the question. So here is a question. In this question, it is said that which statement will be true, and for that 3 ampere source delivers to 24 watt and 5 ampere source absorbs 80 watt. 3 ampere source absorbs 24 watt and 5 ampere source delivers 80 watt. 3 ampere and 5 ampere source absorbs 24 and 80 watt respectively, and 3 ampere and 5 ampere source 24 and 80 watt respectively. So we see that each options will ask about absorb power or deliver power by these sources. So here we can see that about 12 volt source, we know the current flow through it, that is equal to 3 ampere, but we don't know the voltage across this 3 ampere source. And similarly, this 5 ampere source voltage is not known, so we can find out the power delivered or power absorbed by this 12 volt source, as we know voltage and current flowing through it. But 3 ampere source, for 3 ampere source we need to know about the voltage, and 5 ampere source also we need to know about the voltage. Then we can comment about this source will absorb the power or deliver power. So here in this question, 3 ampere and 5 ampere sources questions has been asked. So let us see how we can find out voltage across 3 ampere and 5 ampere and rectify these questions. Let us see about it. So this is the circuit given in the question, and let us see how to find voltage source across this 3 ampere. Apply KVL in this loop, then this outer loop. Then how it can be written, suppose we are moving from this direction, in this direction, then if we see this source, then negative signs appears first and positive signs appears in the after negative signs. So in each case, whatever element we will find in our route during moving in this mesh, then we will take the second sign. As here if we move in this direction, then here is negative sign, here is positive sign. So here positive signs comes after negative sign, so we will return the sign which appears after the first sign. So in this way the KVL will be easy to return. Let's see how can return. If we move in this source, then some positive signs will appear after negative signs, so second sign will be positive, and this is the 20 volt source. And if we move, then we come to the 12 volt source. Here positive signs is first and negative signs is second, so we write here negative signs minus at this 12 volt source. If we see about this source, then here positive signs come first and negative signs come second, then we write negative sign, and this is V1 source. And after that there is no element, then there it will be equal to 0. So from here we can find out V1 equal to 8 volt. So here V1 equal to 8 volt. If we want to find out V2, then we will move in this mesh. Then what will be voltage source? Here will be plus 20 volt. If we move across this voltage source, then negative signs will be second sign, then minus 36 volt. Here what will be sign of V2? Minus V2 equal to 0. Then V2 will be equal to minus 16 volt. We can write the sign appears at second number, or the sign appear at the first number. If we write this equation, the symbol appeared at first, this is negative, so we write minus 20 volt. And if we move in direction, then here will be positive sign first, then here will be positive sign 12 volt, and here will be positive sign plus V1, then here it will be equal to 0, then V1 will be equal to 8 volt. So same answer will be find whether we take its first sign or negative signs. So in this way we can write a KVL in easy manner. So here V1 is 8 volt and V2 is minus 16 volt. Let's see how many power will be absorbed. Power absorbed by 3 ampere source. Then here will be, since current is entering at positive terminal, then here power absorbed will be V1 plus V1 into 3 ampere, as V1 is 8 volt, so plus 8 into 3, that is equal to 24 watt. And if we see about 5 ampere source, then power absorbed by 5 ampere source, that will be equal to, here we see that current is entering at positive terminal, so here plus V2 into 5 ampere. So here plus V2 value is, we have calculated here, minus 16 volt, so V2 will be equal to minus 16 volt into 5 ampere, that will be minus 80 watt. So power absorbed is minus 80 watt, or we can written as power supplied by 5 ampere source, that will be 80 watt. So Here power supplied by 5 ampere source is 80 watt and power absorbed by 3 ampere source is 24 watt. So we can find out that our option B is correct. So option B is correct in our given question. Thank you.